In today's video, I'm going to teach you all about the ClickUp Affiliate Program 2026. If you've been exploring ways to earn a little extra income by recommending tools you genuinely find useful, you're in the right place. ClickUp is an all-in-one productivity and project management platform that brings tasks, docs, goals, whiteboards, dashboards, automations, and more into a single workspace. Because teams and solo professionals alike want fewer apps and smoother workflows, demand for solutions like this is high. That demand is exactly why their affiliate opportunity can be worth your time. Here's the simple idea. ClickUp has opened up a paid affiliate program. When you share ClickUp with others using your unique referral link, and they take the qualifying action described on the affiliate page, you can earn a commission. According to the information publicly shared on their affiliate page, the program pays up to $20. Keep in mind that exact payouts and terms can change, so always rely on what's listed on the official page at the time you join. Getting to the right place is straightforward. Head to ClickUp's website and look for the affiliates option, often found in the footer or within the partner section. That link takes you to the dedicated affiliate page, where you'll see the program overview, who it's for, what the potential earnings look like, and how to apply. This is your hub for the official current details. It's also where you'll typically find a sign up or apply button, along with a description of what happens after you submit your application. Once you're on the affiliate page, pay close attention to the payout description. You'll see that headline detail about earning up to $20. The actual structure often depends on what counts as a qualified referral and can vary by campaign or region. So read the on-page notes carefully. It's a good habit with any affiliate program to confirm the qualifying action, the cookie window, and any minimum thresholds so you understand exactly how and when commissions are earned. Next, look for the payment details section. This is where the fine print helps you avoid headaches later. You'll typically find information about how you get paid, when payments are issued, the minimum payout threshold, and any required tax or account verification steps. Be sure to follow the listed guidelines closely to avoid missed or delayed payments. Many programs require you to complete a payment profile, keep your account information accurate, and comply with platform rules on how you promote. That can include staying honest in your claims, avoiding spam, and respecting any restrictions around paid search or brand bidding. Completing any requested tax forms and keeping your details up to date is just as important as sharing your link. And that's really the core process. Visit the official site, open the affiliates page, confirm the payout information, and review the payment details to set yourself up properly. Once you're approved and your link is active, you can start sharing ClickUp in a way that makes sense for your audience. Even if you're not a daily user, this can be a solid side income stream if you match ClickUp with the right people. For example, freelancers juggling multiple clients appreciate having tasks, docs, and time tracking under one roof. Small teams benefit from collaboration features like shared dashboards, comments, and whiteboards. Agencies and startups can streamline roadmaps and sprints, reducing tool sprawl and context switching. Students and educators often enjoy having notes, assignments, and project timelines all organized in a single space. When your recommendation is a good fit for someone's workflow, they're more likely to stick with it, and that's where affiliates can see steady results. If you plan to promote ClickUp, lead with value. Share how specific features solve common problems, like turning a chaotic to-do list into a clear dashboard, automating repetitive steps, or consolidating documents and tasks so nothing gets lost. Demonstrations, quick tutorials, real use cases, and comparisons with care for accuracy tend to perform well because they help viewers make an informed choice. It's also a best practice to clearly disclose that you use affiliate links wherever you share them, such as in video descriptions, blog posts, or newsletters. Transparent promotion builds trust and keeps you aligned with advertising and disclosure guidelines. Another tip is to keep your messaging consistent with what ClickUp itself promises. Don't overstate capabilities or make unrealistic claims. Instead, highlight genuine strengths like centralizing work, offering flexible views, and integrating with popular tools. If you mention pricing or plan features, double-check the latest details on the official site before you publish, since those can change. And when you receive questions from your audience, answer candidly and point them to official resources if you're not sure. Because ClickUp's feature set is broad, align your content with the niches you know best. If you're in marketing, show campaign planning and content calendars. If you work in software, focus on sprints, backlogs, and docs for specs. If you're a student or creator, showcase personal productivity setups. The clearer your angle, the easier it is for viewers to see themselves using the tool, and the more likely they are to act on your recommendation. To recap the essentials, ClickUp's affiliate program offers a way to earn by recommending a tool that helps people organize and execute their work. Navigate to the official site, open the affiliate section, review the payout line that mentions up to $20, and then open the payment details to understand exactly how and when you'll be paid. Follow the guidelines carefully to avoid missed payments. From there, focus on helpful, accurate content that shows real value to the people you serve. Thanks for watching, and I hope this gave you the clarity you need to get started confidently with the ClickUp affiliate program.